van noi muntin le gamtina cheng ku ki chate zo se nila alam thuso asi somleng chenala ngai khom ki dingen kahin lim chi ove tun tuni adinga ki gong thuso anasim khom taw hite Israel in Iran Cup kit na dia ki got na neibe that 9 June 2026 Sunday ni kho a Israel in Iran ale thu na achun Iran te military base le petrochemical plant asuse in na sata in Iran te asulung neu hle in ahi thu ki thang ki zadanin Iran army chief in giging a surrender bolding agel in ahi akiti azi chu Israel te na to hi atizat pi in ahi hichi plan ho attack abol zamale Iran hi khopi izat ham khat ki chai thading in a umin ahi Israel IDF chief iya zamir in asay na achun tu ni chun Iran ki kap na chu rehearsal tabang ahin mabana hi tu asanga nasa zo a ki kap kiting ahi tu pe na hi IDF ho nasa ta ki got na at kinay lai ta ahi tin asaye source from Zeusmin US helicopter khat kikap kita that 9 June 2026 Reuters ko na thuso ki mudung zuya chun zanhi ni kho chun Iran boundary a Strait of Hormuz chunga US helicopter apache khat Iran in bacha kap bangin anakap la ovin ahi US Iran hi Strait of Hormuz hi athunay ding kichu ova Iran Navy ahin US Navy ahin akidin te lai ta u ahin hiji to kilhonin US jong superpower joy khat ka hi ti chu kipausa ta in alen na in kapla in ana umin ahi hi ho thu to kilhonin US in mabana hi iti don but na ahin bolding hamti hi statement apot to nai pon hi chi news muzo se hin US hin ato to a ahin thamding hamti hi agin cha so ke u ahi ahin US hin ahin mo don but lo mai thei ahi azi chu US hin tu pe na hi Iran hi nunga zola azol lai ta ahi agreement neipehdoh hi Iran hi nom thim ahi tai anop popo le US hin Iran gamsunga control abol diu kinep na lenta ane u ahi source from Zeusmin Trump in Israel backup lo mai thei ahi tai channel 21 na ko na thu so vai ge ta khat ki modo na achun US President Donald Trump in Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu bibi ko ma ginchat lo be ta khat kamcheng anaso to in ahi Sunday zanchun Iran in Israel anakam in mezal samwa zen Israel gamsunga anakap luduvin ahi ahin wangphat ta in somla athum ta banghi gam ongle tuipi a mezal chu anachu in Israel in anakap hlatapoi azi chu asu kha ading ana umlozi ahi ahin seki tabang wang chu kapla in ana umin Iran target a fail tai azing Sunday achun Israel athang tom hle in le thu ding ham le thu loading hamti akin theilamin defense langa PM to meeting ane yuvin hichi a akho na wa het thei kha chu Iran le thu na ding ahin Israel aboy mama in ahi azi chu ahi le US President Donald Trump in azan mama a Israel Prime Minister ahin call in Iran in missile ahin kapchu na le thu lo diu ahi ati azi uma asay ahi alang khat na Israel zong alungboy na khat achom a in hichu ahi le Iran hi ale kaplawa ahi le Israel te hi hasam ahi ta vetin noise na ahin nei diu mabana iboy son diu ahi ati langkhat na opposition party in le thu ding ahin tin ano kit uvin ahi le azozo na US President pa request zong don talovin Sunday ni chun huchengin Central Iran chu Israel Air Force 10 kap tin aka kap uvin Iran military base akap tal de ovin petrochemical plant zong akap kong ovin Iran te akisakhe ovin surrender boltaw te ti zong man ovin ahi hitizo in US in Israel call abol kitnin Israel in mabana Iran na kap zom kit ule US in backable ta loading na hive kapan pi ta loading Israel in na changwa Iran gal na ki kap dingo ahi tai tin asay pa langkhana asay bekit na achun Israel in Iran akap be ale Iran in US embassy Iran le akom vela ho kap ding in asay kitnin ahile US Presidente sepozong amo lungdon kitay langkhana ipizia US in Israel in Iran akap ding nom loham azi pi penta chu ahile tu pe na hi US le Iran in peace agreement anego hlon ahitan Iran zong hi gidoi thim ahitai ahin Israel in Iran hi akap te ale US le Iran ki ka hi boy seding agreement hi ki kai thailo dinga ahi zia Iran in US koma Israel ke phothi min ati ahi Israel dinga aboy na kit kha chu Iran hin agu a Hezbollah le Hamas hi support abol a mancha atol lut pi a Israel hi akap sa kit ahi hiti ahi lungthim ngen na ki bol tu ahi ovin alanga hi numsa lo ahi hitilai din muna hi ivet le Israel hi ada apang le ahi tai azi chu Iran akap le boy dia akap lo le ani zing dinga kit athem mo a le pan le kit a lungsit ta ahi tai Bible thotem hi tu khanga hung so ding hitam zongin mo tai Israel achanga hung pang intin gamtam pin ahin do ding kiti hi gin mo ginmo a umtai ipihile Israel pathinchun amite pi laisi a leisit mi hemte chu si mi mai tabang ahive Israel te dinga kichat lauta ahitai Zeusmin thuso ki mudan to abale tamu kho hopsunga lalim khole khomun nom kho chu junta se pai hon alodo kitawe hungnok che ding ahitai gal hi ta cha hive itivin hoilai gam hile hungki kholdo ding ahitai koichu ta chapa hivem koichu ta chanu hivem in het do dingo ahitai Nyamcha Kipgen, Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Tribal Affairs and Hills Manipur. Message of gratitude. Kangpu P. 9 June 2026. I extend my profound gratitude to the Hornbill Home Minister, Government of India, the Hornbill Chief Minister of Nagaland, the Hornbill Chief Minister of Meghalaya, all Naga civil society organizations, the Baptist World Alliance, organizations from all communities and individuals responsible for their tireless effort and deep sense of humanitarian concern, which made possible the safe release of the 14 detainees of the Naga village. At the time marked by anxiety and uncertainty, their intervention has brought immense relief to the affected families and has reframed the enduring strength of compensation and collective conscience in our society. This outcome stands as a solemn and powerful reminder that even in the most difficult of times, dialogue, empathy, and shared resolve remain all greatest instruments of hope. This courage and preservation shows by all these involved have not only restored hope to the families of their detainees, but have also inspired the wider public of the demonstrating that humanity, when guided by the purpose and wisdom, can prevail over fear and division. On behalf of the government of Manipur and the peoples, I concern my heartfelt appreciations for this noble humanitarian effort. May this spirit of compassion, responsibilities, and brotherhood continue to guide us as we strive to heal divisions, strengthen trust among communities, and build a future anchored in peace, justice, security, and enduring harmony for all the peoples of Manipur and Nagaland. By Naga Kipgen. Thuso ki modung zuin tuni ni khoa naga migum hoju army police chule adang dang hon aki vuina wa kona aga kho do diu ahitai het sa anom chu kyu ki zo cha te koiman army police ho opos abo lo divin thupe khota a umin ahi ki pa thu thot galhinga ki kai mang ta phole hobung khosung mi pite in sungmi ho pan pi na dingin sonem gar hostel 10 van drive anabol un hichi a konchun 20000 anamu ovin KSO khuna pe lut na anane ovin ahi nampi ngai lut na apan ala anaw chunga akipa thu sangta akipong in koi hizong le nampi adinga thilpha bolnom omjong le organization in lem a hizinge SD Department of Information and Publicity KSO Silong Afghanistan Herat Khopi Zebral area a Taliban Afghanistan Army 10 nupi khatle numei khat amat ziun mi pi 10 lamzuina ananei ovin Taliban Security Force 10 lamzuina anei nawa live bullet to anakap ovin mi khat in thina anato e Office of the Kuki in Peace Cedar Hills, apex body of Kuki tribe. Gamsung din mun thu le la ho het sana that 10 June 2026 gamla nam thu le la boina le ha sat na theding din mun a hi ta azin Cedar Hills gamkai sunga cheng nam mi pite zo seding in he sana le zuiding in thu anoya cheng hi ahung kita alange akhat na Cedar Hills gamsunga kichip golnop imacha thei loading kitchen le ki thla kin dol tai lo thildang ki gong thei loading a hi hin turf ground hozong a hop ding sun hi hen zan hi zong le aki hong le aki mangcha thei loading a hi ani na gamsunga melma ho to gamgi a lo thlo thingpo koiman abol thei loading lo kon le gamgi hozong in mona ki le che ding a kho a hausa ho in mo apo chi ding o a hi athum na gamgi a pang le lamkai ho tai lo nammi pi te zo se in mona ki tup ta che ding kit le kin le dong dam mo veisit kho de set tailo mo awale le koima thailo ding a hi achunga hungki pe thope hozo se hi Kuki in Peace Cedar Hills KISH agona thope kit ka mi pizo se in kitup ta azui che dingin he sa na le taw na a hi e gamle namboi na le ha sa na dungzuya kitho khom che dingin nam mi pizo se tim na sangpen ahung ki nei e pathenin Kuki chate pi jing taw hen Thanglen Hau Changloi, Secretary, Information and Publicity, Kuki in Peace Cedar Hills. Breaking news. Today on the 10 June 2026, the dismembered body parts of the 6 Naga men on Konsakul Naga Village who were abjugated at Laylon Vaipai Village on the 13 May 2026 by the Laylon Vaipai villagers and Kuki militants who have been recovered and handed over the Assam Rifles by the KNFP. The innocent 6 Naga brothers were found to have been tortured and their bodies cut into pieces by the abductors. The Kuki National Front KNFP is a militant group led by the Semtintang Kipken, the husband of Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipken. This narco-terrorist group has been under the suspension of the operation so agreement with the government of India. From reliable sources, the mortal remains is about to reach Reims in Fall for forensic examinations. More details are awaited in Naga te to Sotun Akimoe. Source from Cedar Hills Ogin 3. Tingkole Malja, Naga Village Guard hon pung 24 hours sunga amaho migup neipehdoh louleu. Offensive attack kapat diu ahitay tin asay kitave. Kanam mipite kigingche ohite. Min galbol humdinga hlangpong asap mo ahitan. Ehon la koima ki attack kitlaw be eding ahin. Aven be ekiveng zet mo hite. Naga Village Guard hon angi eho jo ahile akha na Naga migup kiman ho adam na alay ule damin henthla doon ani na athi ahita le athilong le athat ho nin pedoon tin asayuve koiman kiman lawa ahiti boy pi ohi lungdan omtai ipi hile ekiveng hoi ute kanam mipite to so hi chanchun ekichai tai to so abana anangai hom kidingin ka hinlem cheve to so hingai zo se na bon jawin stay safe and stay blessed.